Greetings. Welcome to another video tutorial dedicated to Vidiot video editor. In just 10 minutes you will learn everything you need to know to make your own custom video. Let's get started. Vidiot is a free video editor targeted for home video editing. It supports compositing, cropping, changing speed, adding transitions and titles, trimming, keyframes, etc. Download the software from sourceforge.net. The application consists of 3 main windows. Details is on the left and the video preview on the right. At the bottom is the timeline. You can arrange and save the window size and position. Use Restore Defaults if you messed up the interface. To start, drag and drop all media files you want to use, including videos, images, and sound files. Set the video settings for the project. The files are added on the timeline as blocks. The blocks represent pictures and video clips. Audio files will display a waveform on top. You could always add additional files using the context menu. Clips can be easily arranged. The red vertical line is the playhead. The preview window is used to preview the content under the playhead. Use the buttons to play and pause. Alternatively, use the spacebar key to start and stop the playback. You can also change the playback speed for the preview. Let's quickly add another video clip. Move the playhead manually to preview or press the cursor left and cursor right key to move the playhead by a single frame. Press home to move the playhead to the beginning. The end key will move it to the end. Hold down Ctrl and press left to jump to the next clip. Change a clip length simply by dragging. Click and drag on the clip border. This video clip contains audio. The video and audio track are linked together. Unlink to move them independently. Use the standard Windows shortcuts, Ctrl-X and Ctrl-V to cut and paste clips. Delete clips by pressing the Delete button. Add a fade-in effect. Select the duration from the preset in the Details window. Preview the effect. Add a fade-out effect. Select a different effect type from the drop-down menu. Use the Control key plus the middle mouse to zoom in and out in the timeline. Use the command to remove empty space between the clips. Zoom out. This is a vertical video. I like to rotate it. Press the rotate button. To remove the black bars, use vertical cropping. To add this picture as B-roll, add another video track. Let's preview again. Great. To add a transition between the last two videos, select Fade from Previous. The transition can be changed, of course. Let's preview the result. To add a still, export the current frame. Import the picture. Let's add a title. Preview the result. I am satisfied with the video. Now let's export all, to create the final movie.